squeaking the other day, and then it's packed up. Oh, it's solid. Look at that. Phoned up yesterday, it was squeaking, and we thought it'd go on for a few days, but it's seized up solid. That's off on there. Okay, so we've got the motor off. We've got to get the grub screws out there, an 8th Allen key. They're usually quite tight, but you can see that one's seen better days. Make sure they're fully bottomed out in there, otherwise they'll slip. Sometimes you have to clean it if it's got dust and crap in there. You have to clean it out so you can get the key fully seated. Let's see if we can get them loose, and then we can spray some stuff in through the holes as well. We'll get the sandpaper on that, maybe clean it up a bit.